Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code and how to run a Python program into our machine, okay, by using Visual Studio Code. So in order to download Visual Studio Code, just go to Google and type VS Code or Visual Studio Code download. Just click on the very first link. So here we can see there are multiple options for Windows and Mac and Linux systems. So here I'm going to select system installer for 64-bit. Just click on this 64-bit. So now the software is getting download. Just wait for a few seconds. So once the software is downloaded, it will come to downloads path. So there are 5 seconds left. Okay, now the software is successfully downloaded. So once it is downloaded, just click on this arrow button. Click on show in folder. Just do refresh. So now we can able to see the VS Code setup file. Okay, this is the setup file. Just double click on this one. Just click on yes. Just click on accept the agreement and click on next. And this is the path the software is going to install. If you want to change it, then you can change it. Click on browse and you can change it. Otherwise, just click on next button. Just click on next. So here we need to select create desktop icon. Okay, this is a checkbox. Just click on this checkbox and click on next and click on install button. The software is installing. Just wait for a few minutes. So now the software setup is done. Remove this checkbox and click on finish button. Now go to search, type VS Code. So here we can see the Visual Studio Code option. Otherwise, just go to desktop and click on this Visual Studio Code. So, okay, now the software download part is done and installation part is done. Now we are going to execute Python program by using Visual Studio Code. Okay. So here, just click on this Explorer. So this is the first time we are using this Visual Studio Code. Okay. Then just click on this open folder. So here we need to select. Here we need to select where the Python code is available. Otherwise, create a new folder. Create a new folder. Python practice. Okay. So I have created a Python practice folder. Just click on this one. So now here there are two options. One is for creating a file and one is for creating a directory. Just click on this creating a file. So I want to create a program. The program name is hello. The extension is .py. Here I want to print something. I'm going to type print hello world. Okay. So now the program is ready. In order to execute my program, we need to add Python extensions here. Just click on this extensions. So here you can type Python. Just click on this install button. So the extension is installing into Visual Studio Code. So this is the one-time change. And there is one more extension it is required. Just type code. Just click on this code runner and click on install button here. The code runner is installed successfully. Also, if it is the first time, so you will get a pop-up like, do you want to install the recommended extension for Python? Just click on install button here itself. If it is not installed into your Visual Studio Code, otherwise go to extensions and you can install Python. Okay, still it is installing. So okay, once the software is installed, I mean the extension is added into Visual Studio Code, just give right click here. Just give right click here. Here we can see the option like run Python file in a terminal. Just click on this option. See, we can able to see the output. Okay, this means we have added successfully Python into Visual Studio Code. Okay, I want to write another program. Just go to File Explorer, create another file. My file name is called numbers.py. I want to generate a numbers. In order to generate numbers, I'm going to use for loop for I in range of 1, 10. I need to print all the values. Print I here. Again, give right click here. Click on run Python file in a terminal. So now we can able to see the output. Okay, this is how we can execute all our Python programs by using Visual Studio Code. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this.